Peter Baum with you. Thank you very much for joining us. South Korea is investigating possible human rights violations after over 300 of its citizens were detained in a U.S. immigration raid at a Hyundai electric vehicle battery plant in Georgia. The raid, involving 475 arrests, marked the largest single-site immigration operation since President Trump intensified enforcement earlier this year. Many of those detained were South Korean workers helping set up the facility, which South Korea says is standard international business practice. Meanwhile, Seoul has expressed strong regret and warned that such actions could harm investor confidence. President Lee Jae-myung has called the incident bewildering, while U.S. officials claim the workers overstayed visas or lacked legal work status. Trump later stated that the U.S. welcomes foreign talent and doesn't want to deter investment. The plant's opening has now been delayed. Well, joining us now on the broadcast is Dr. Satoru Nagao, Fellow Hudson Institute. He's live with us from Tokyo on this story. Dr. Nagao, what do you make of this incident, and what will be the priority during this investigation launched by South Korea?
This is illegal immigration issues originally. So, but that's why in this case, this action, U.S. action itself is legal, and South Korea side is illegal. So that's why the U.S. is good and South Korea is bad. But view from the policy side, the U.S. asked South Korea to invest more, and they demand a speed of the work. View from this, if the South Korean worker engineers wait for a long time to get visa, in this case, deadline will come, and this is not a good situation for the U.S. and South Korea. So that's why in the legal side and the business side, both two sides had a completely different opinion about this. But at the same time, currently, it is true that illegal or legal is very important appeal point for the U.S. Trump administration. And so that's why if the worker is illegal, this is not good for the South Korea, because illegal immigration is, tough stance towards illegal immigration is very important policy pillar for the Trump administration. They cannot concede in this issue. So that's why the investment side, of course, even if it's illegal, this is work for the U.S., they want to say, but indeed, that logic will not enough level of the persuasion to the Trump administration, I think.
Right. How is this going to impact South Korea-U.S. ties, in your opinion?
Of course, it will deteriorate as mood between U.S. and South Korea. That is also true, because business people can decide where is the main destination of their investment. In this case, there's a possibility some South Koreans do not want to investment to the United States after this incident. But at the same time, it is true that South Korean people work illegally, even if they have the reason. So that's why, in this case, legal or not, view from this, my U.S. is right and South Korea is bad.
All right, stay with us. We're turning now to more development.